So if you are really hungry, you better go to the drive-thru.
It's not healthy.
Yeah, imagine you got to wait for 45 minutes, so it's a long way to go. Stephen King, this must be a good movie. The Monkey. Okay guys, we're gonna eat here and then we're gonna be waiting for like 45 minutes. Okay, Christine, go. Look at the smile. Show your smile, come on. Okay, let's go guys. Say something. Good, she agreed to be in my camera. Me, I'm super shy. I'll just take videos. There's a Chipoli here, one of my favorite. What else? Lots of foods here in Los Angeles, guys. One thing I missed here. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
They're flying. Wow. One thing I missed Los Angeles is, of course, the good food here. Plenty of choices. And, okay. Go. Eat Wings fundraising at Buffalo Wings. Okay, let's go. Buffalo Wings. Good, the fire didn't go up here. It was like near in Malibu, right? In the Palisades. Let's go over there. Yeah. That's the good thing, it didn't come up here. Over here, anak. Anak, magsayaw-sayaw ko din, anak. Kita mo yun si preacher. Halika. Ning. Okay, Ning, let's go to the Batman. The Batman. So what is showing now? Richard is, you know, I like this guy. If he hits somebody else, it's pretty solid. This guy, Richard. So it's very popular now. Richard. Shall we watch movie? Downtown Burbank. Here we go, the Batman is here. What is this? Yay! That's my Inday.
Hi.
Say something super Inday.
Welcome to
Where are you?
Glendale.
And
You asked me where I am.
welcome to Los Angeles. Look at this, guys. It's really spring now here in Los Angeles. Actually, we are hungry, guys, so that's why we are looking for seafood. Why you guys here are on spring? Northern California is raining. It's wet over there. It's cold. You guys are warm. Look at the trees. What kind of flowers is this thing? I forgot. Yeah, I forgot the name. What's the name of this?
Cherry blossom.
Ah, this is cherry blossoms. Oh my gosh. You guys here. Yeah, you guys here are spring and the northern is cold and it keeps raining. Welcome to Los Angeles. Okay, Los Angeles is big, guys. We're only just scratching the surface here. Okay, guys, I'm just showing you how the streets of Los Angeles now. It looks spring. The flowers are blooming. So we are far from the fire, but we don't want to go there because you know, you still smell something after the burns. So we'll just get some food and, you know, enjoy the rest of the day. Bonding with my daughter here. We are both shy on the camera. Okay, guys. This is just like, you know, one area of Los Angeles, and Los Angeles is quite big. So we're going to the seafood, anak. What is that? Is a crab? Kicking crab? Okay. So we're gonna be eating bare hands today with the crabs. What do you think, guys? Actually, some areas here are also crowded, and you know, I try to avoid driving here, but you know, it's a pretty place, of course. Los Angeles is Los Angeles, no matter what. But it's just getting congested also. All right. So we are basically walking, going to the where the good food is. We're looking for good food. Welcome to California. Da, 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 da. Oh, music. I might cut off that one, guys. You will hear me cutting off that section because, you know what I mean. It smells so good, Inday.
Nice to meet you too. Kenzie wants to buy the
It's a lot of people. Plenty. It smells so good.
Okay, it's 45 minutes for a table and 20 minutes to go.
You gonna go to go? Let's eat.
Okay, we'll put our names on, okay? And then, the best phone number to reach you at? 2961. Can you just make sure you receive... Sorry, hold on. I put in the wrong one. Give me 1 second. And then your name? Christine. Christine, your last name initial? Receive the second one. Make sure you check back in within 10 minutes.
We're gonna go.
We have to wait 45 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yung timer. Come on, let's go Soroy Soroy. Where are we gonna go? What is that there? Shipoli. Okay, you talk, show your talent. Show Los Angeles, okay? Come on, you talk.
Hi, you guys. Welcome to.
Come on, you start talking. Palayo konti para makita ang view.
Can we go away from the people?
Yeah, over there. We will go over there. Okay, come on, talk. Serving good vibes, huh? Okay.
Hi, Nurse Nomadics Vlogs. Si Inday dito. Welcome.
You talk properly, anak. You're talking like a baby.
Anak ako eh.
You are the anak. Go over there.
Ako